Welcome to Sudoku SKVM. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 24, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. Column H, column J, we have 1. So one can't come. These cells, the only confirm here. Column B, 9th row, we have 1. So one can't come. These cells, the only confirm here. Column B, column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come. These cells, the 6 is confirmed here. Column B and 8th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come. These cells, the 2 is confirmed here. Column B, 8th row and 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come. These cells, the 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come. These cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come. These cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column I and 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come. These cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 5. 4th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come. These cells, the 5 is confirmed here. Column J, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come. These cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come. These cells, 3 will come in one of these cells, confirm later. 3rd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come. These cells, 3 will come in any one of these cells, confirm later. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 will come in any one of these cells, confirm later. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 3rd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 9. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column C, we have 1 to 4. So 1 to 4 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Then 1st grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 9. It will come in any one of these cells, we confirm later. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 2. Column B, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 1st grade, we'll add 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. In 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8. Column G, column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come. These cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 6th row, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come. These cells. 8 also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then the 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fifth row, column E, we have 2, so 2 can't come, these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are 1, 8, 9. 8th row, we have 1 and 8, so 1 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come here one of these cells. 5th row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Second grade, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 9 and 8, so 9 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come here in one of these cells. 10th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 7th grade, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, so 8th row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column E, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 9th row and 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column E, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 5th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 5th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, the 9 is here. Questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.